What is the best software for project management? The answer, one that is as easy to use as possible and still has the power to do the job. For many organizations, the right project management technology is Microsoft SharePoint. For the next few minutes, we'll see how SharePoint can be both easy to use and powerful enough to raise the quality of project management in your organization. Consistency is the key to raising the quality of project management. Versatil's enterprise project management model shows how the pieces fit together. At the project level, we focus on executing projects well. Program management means managing multiple projects. Project portfolio management asks us to choose among projects. Getting better at project, program, and portfolio management requires people that understand and use consistent processes. Technology enables and encourages people to use a consistent process. Versatil has developed a project management solution for SharePoint that will enable and encourage all your project leaders to use consistent, effective project management practices. It begins with a focus on executing projects well. There are many elements of successful projects, so where do we start? Here are 5 essential project management practices. Projects must have a clear goal, and everyone on the team must know that goal. We need a schedule that promotes accountability and that can be used to measure progress. Systematic risk and issue management. A focus on stakeholder communication. Strong management support for the project manager and team. Versatil has designed a practical approach for using SharePoint to promote these 5 factors on every project. Every project has its own SharePoint site, so you can have a home page like this one. Remember that a clear goal is one of the habits that we want to foster. Notice the project summary status. At a glance, anyone can see a concise description. Here's a team engagement and collaboration tool. Maintain a team meeting calendar and sync team meetings to individual team members' Outlook calendars. Of course, you can store your common documents for the project here. SharePoint does more than document storage. It actually qualifies as a document management system. Highlight key project milestones on the project timeline. This home page is a summary of the detailed work of managing projects. We see how it helps reinforce the project goal. Managing a schedule is a little more complicated. Have you heard that the most common project management tool is Excel? Why use Excel? Because it allows you to track information by task and because it is easy to use. What if I told you this table wasn't an Excel sheet, but a SharePoint schedule? It is actually easier to use than Excel, but it is far more useful. This simple table can also be viewed as a Gantt chart, so you can visualize your entire project schedule, including seeing tasks that are ahead or behind schedule. Add tasks and milestones to the timeline to summarize the schedule. Schedule management is a critical project success factor. SharePoint's simple schedule provides the visibility you need to stay on time. Remember that SharePoint is a collaboration tool. As a result, your team members will be able to update their own task status, getting everyone involved in managing the project. We are using SharePoint to promote consistent practices. Templates for the most important project management activities are easily accessed from the navigation bar on the left. For example, managing issues and risks and engaging key stakeholders. To manage issues correctly, use the template designed from industry standards. This issues page captures all the right information. It is just as easy as tracking an issue in Excel or Word. But I can actually add a record of activity against any issue. That is critical to issue management, not just knowing that we have an issue, but also what's been done about it so far. That makes this SharePoint list a better tool than Excel or Word. Clear goals, schedule management, tracking risks and issues. Now, let's focus on that critical relationship between a project manager and sponsor. What is the key to building this essential relationship? Frequent, effective communication. That's why there is a page devoted to keeping the sponsor in the loop. This sponsor view clears away all the details, leaving only the high level or critical information the sponsor wants to see. At the top of the page, we reinforce the project goal. The project manager doesn't prepare a sponsor report. The status report was already created during the team meeting. And the schedule shows only the tasks and milestones that the sponsor cares about. Now, scroll down. The sponsor is looking at only high priority or late issues and risks. The sponsor view is a concise update of the overall status, the schedule, issues, risks, and the key stakeholders. Yes, we've applied the same structure to monitoring communication with key stakeholders that we apply to issues and risks. You can see that Versatile can show your organization how to use SharePoint 2013 to promote consistent, effective project management practices. If you're trying to raise the quality of project management, use technology to promote consistency. The right tool for project management is the one that is easy to use and has the power to do the job. Is SharePoint 2013 the right tool for your projects? Learn more about Versatile's Manage Projects on SharePoint solution. Visit our website or contact us and raise the capability of your organization's project management.